In a small village, there lived a clever trickster, always looking for a way to outsmart the villagers, but today, his own trick is about to backfire. The trickster thought he could escape chores by pretending to cough. He faked it so well, everyone believed him, at first. But as the trickster coughed, something strange happened. He couldn't stop. The fake cough turned into a real coughing fit. The villagers didn't buy his act for long. Instead of helping him, they just laughed. His own trick had turned against him. Desperate, the trickster finally gave in. Okay, I'll do the chores. And just like magic, the coughing stopped. And that, my friends, is how the trickster learned a valuable lesson. Sometimes, a fake cough can become a real one. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more stories.